So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up right now, kind of show you where everything went. You know, we got the contenders now, and we have the Cockpit 3D against this new contender 2D to 3D Crystal. Let me beta test that out. I'm so grateful for that. And I'm going to just tell you what's going on. It was really easy and super fast to do the 2D to 3D Cockpit, Crystal. I'm just going to call it 2D from this point forward so I don't mess up. Just doing it was really easy. They had a lot of choices. They said the regular was, the preferred choice. And to be honest, it only took literally half the time to process as far as the lasering as the Cockpit. The results looked, Cockpit, let's be honest, was just a little bit better, but not by much for the price. I don't know what the final price of 2D is going to be, but for the results, I don't know what Cockpit is going to end up charging. If it's going to be $500 a year, and for $100, $9.60 per, transition, or what do you want to call it, conversion. I don't know. I have no idea what this guy's going to charge. I know somebody's coming up with a solution to operate through Blender. The Blender transition, Blender's free. We'll see. And supposedly 1.5 for xTool is going to be coming out like next week. We'll see what it does. I did get the notification from xTool that they're going to have one of their normal Wednesday night things, which is the 4th. Let me make sure Wednesday night is the 4th here. Yep. So it's going to be one of those Wednesday night at 4 releases, which means it'll probably be released, again, next week. And we'll see what it does. I'm in one of the secret groups for xTool where they're talking about it because they're going to be releasing some other stuff with it. So I don't know if they're also going to be releasing that for the UV printer too, where it supports that. So that's supposed to be coming really soon. And I don't know what I'm going to do because I don't think I have the funds to, I don't have the funds. I'll tell you that right now to support that because I have the Eufy making, from their release yesterday. They've already done enough to, ship me mine because I'm 10,000 something and they've made 12,500 of them, which means hopefully mine is on a ship. So it technically should arrive before the xTool UV printer, but I would rather have the xTool because it would be in the entire ecosystems, which means I would have a cut and print option. So with that, I just let you be the judge. I can see every week he's doing something different on 3D, on 2D. That is really increasing things. We'll have to see how this pans out. I can tell you long term, I know that Cockpit is coming up with some kind of a solution for us not to pay $500 per year plus the cost of conversion. He's going to have to work much faster now because with competitors, like people come up with solutions in Blender 2D, and then there's another person who said he's coming up with something in the group. And then with xTool and their release next week, that'll just be dead in the water. And I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just giving you what I have. I hope this is helpful to you so you can just see what is out there. And there's some people really doing some good work. And like I said, I don't sell these. I have these as like little gifts and tchotchkes for my clients because it really helps me do a thing. And something I have done is I've shown some of the ones I've done, like for our the front office girl for one of our offices. I did it because her father died passed last month, and I did one for him, and it was actually her parents' wedding photo, and I didn't know her mother had passed. She goes, "Oh man, my mother's death her birthday when she had passed was like next week," and she had looked at it. She was like, "Oh my goodness, I can't believe this." And I didn't tell her what I was doing. I just asked for, because I know her father had passed. Just send me your favorite picture. I turned it into a crystal. Everyone around the office at our meeting. They saw it and they were like, when can you do these for me? How much do you charge? I was like, I don't charge people. I don't do this. And then the pictures you see here is actually a dog for one of our vendors. It's her mother's dog, just passed. And I sent her a picture of it. And she was like, when can I get this? My mother's birthday is next week and you're going to make her cry. This is why I do it, because it actually brings me business. And my business is not doing this for other folks. It's bringing business for my main business. Anyway, that's it.